Today, we delve into a crucial aspect of contemporary landscape architecture that defining the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your outdoor spaces, modern garden edging design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. For homeowners seeking to imbue their gardens with clean lines, sophisticated textures, and a touch of contemporary flair, the selection and implementation of modern garden edging is paramount. Let us embark on an exploration of this essential design element. To begin our discussion, it is essential to establish a clear understanding of what constitutes modern garden edging design. Fundamentally, modern garden edging refers to the strategic use of materials and techniques to create a distinct boundary between different areas within your garden or between your garden and adjacent surfaces such as lawns, pathways, or driveways. However, the modern aspect extends beyond mere separation. It encompasses a focus on sleek aesthetics, durable and often minimalist materials, and designs that complement contemporary architectural styles. Modern garden edging often emphasizes clean lines, geometric shapes, and a seamless integration with the overall landscape design. It moves away from more traditional or ornate edging styles, favoring simplicity and functionality. The goal is to create a visually appealing transition that enhances the structure and organization of the garden, contributing to a polished and sophisticated outdoor environment. Now that we have defined modern garden edging, let us consider the numerous benefits it offers to homeowners. Implementing well-designed modern garden edging transcends mere visual enhancement and provides practical advantages that contribute to the health and maintenance of your garden. Firstly, it provides clear definition and organization to your outdoor space. By creating distinct borders, edging helps to visually separate different planting beds, pathways, and lawn areas, resulting in a more structured and aesthetically pleasing garden. Secondly, it aids in preventing the encroachment of grass and weeds into your flower beds and vegetable gardens. A physical barrier inhibits the spread of unwanted vegetation, reducing the time and effort required for weeding and maintaining clean garden beds. Thirdly, modern garden edging can help with retaining mulch and soil within the planting areas, preventing erosion and ensuring that your plants receive the necessary nutrients and moisture. This is particularly beneficial on sloped terrains. Furthermore, it can simplify lawn maintenance by providing a defined edge for mowing, resulting in crisp, clean lines and a more manicured appearance. Finally, depending on the materials used, modern garden edging can also add structural integrity to raised beds or terraced gardens. The clean and often minimalist designs associated with modern edging can significantly elevate the overall visual appeal of your property, contributing to a more cohesive and contemporary landscape design. How do I decorate my modern garden edging design to look good? With the understanding of its benefits established, let us now explore how to enhance the visual appeal of your modern garden edging. While the edging itself contributes to a clean and structured look, thoughtful decoration can further elevate its aesthetic impact and integrate it seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. One effective approach is to complement the material of your edging with nearby features. For instance, if you have sleek metal edging, consider incorporating metal accents in your garden furniture or decorative elements. Conversely, natural stone edging can be beautifully juxtaposed with gravel pathways or rock features. Planting can also play a crucial role in enhancing your edging. Consider planting low-growing ground covers or trailing plants along the edge to soften the lines and create a natural transition between the edging and the planting beds. The use of outdoor lighting strategically placed along the edging can highlight its form and create a captivating ambience during the evening hours. Solar-powered stake lights or low-profile path lights can accentuate the clean lines of metal or the texture of stone. Furthermore, consider incorporating decorative elements that align with the modern aesthetic, such as minimalist sculptures or geometric planters placed near the edging. The key is to maintain a sense of cohesion and avoid clutter, ensuring that any decorative additions enhance rather than detract from the clean and contemporary feel of the modern garden edging. Remember that less is often more in modern design, so focus on a few well-chosen elements that complement the overall landscape. What are the best materials for modern garden edging design? The selection of materials is paramount in achieving the desired aesthetic and functionality of modern garden edging. Several materials stand out for their durability, clean aesthetics, and suitability for contemporary landscape designs. First, steel. Corten steel, with its weathered rust-like patina, offers a robust and industrial chic look that evolves over time. Stainless steel provides a sleek and corrosion-resistant option with a more polished appearance. Second, aluminum. Lightweight, durable, and available in various finishes, aluminum offers a clean and modern aesthetic and is resistant to rust. Third, concrete. Concrete edging can be precast in various shapes and sizes or poured in place for a seamless look. It offers durability and a minimalist aesthetic. Fourth, natural stone. Options like slate, granite, and limestone provide a sophisticated and timeless feel with natural variations in color and texture. They offer durability and blend well with natural landscapes. Fifth, recycled plastic. An environmentally conscious option, recycled plastic edging is durable, low maintenance, and available in various colors and styles, often mimicking the look of other materials. Sixth, wood. While requiring more maintenance, certain types of wood like cedar or redwood can offer a natural and warm modern aesthetic when used in clean, straight lines. Seventh, brick. Laid in simple patterns, brick can offer a classic yet contemporary feel, providing a durable and visually appealing edge. Eighth, composite materials. These often blend wood fibers and recycled plastic, offering durability and a natural look with less maintenance than wood. Ninth, glass. While less common, thick panels of tempered glass can create a unique and almost invisible modern edge, ideal for showcasing distinct planting areas. 10th, interlocking pavers. When used as edging, these can create a cohesive look, especially if used for pathways or patios within the garden. They offer durability and design flexibility. The best material ultimately depends on your specific design preferences, budget, and the overall style of your home and garden. Consider factors such as durability, maintenance requirements, and the desired aesthetic when making your selection. And to complete your inspiration, here are 10 compelling modern garden edging design ideas to inspire your next landscaping project. 1. Corten steel bands. Utilizing thin, sharp-edged bands of Corten steel creates a striking and industrial border. The developing rust patina adds a layer of organic texture and visual interest over time, contrasting beautifully with lush greenery. 2. Linear concrete channels. Creating shallow, linear channels of poured concrete offers a seamless and minimalist division between garden beds and pathways. These can be stained or textured for added visual appeal. 3. Stacked slate layers. Employing thin, flat pieces of slate stacked horizontally creates a natural yet structured edge. The varying colors and textures within the slate add depth and character. 4. Recycled plastic lumber. Using straight planks of recycled plastic lumber provides a durable and low-maintenance edge with a clean, linear look. Available in various colors and wood-like finishes. 5. Clean-lined aluminum strips. Installing sleek, powder-coated aluminum strips offers a contemporary and corrosion-resistant edging solution. Available in various colors to complement your design. 6. Low brick soldier course. Laying bricks vertically in a single row or soldier course creates a simple yet elegant and durable edge, offering a touch of classic modernism. 7. Interlocking concrete pavers as borders. Utilizing the same or contrasting interlocking pavers used for pathways or patios as edging creates a cohesive and integrated design. 8. Minimalist wooden planks. Employing straight, untreated planks of wood like cedar or redwood, installed flush with the ground, offers a natural and understated modern edge. 9. Invisible glass panels. Using thick, tempered glass panels partially buried creates an almost invisible barrier, perfect for showcasing distinct planting areas without obstructing the view. 10. Gabion walls as edging. Small, low-lying gabion baskets filled with decorative stones can create a textured and industrial-inspired modern edge, particularly suitable for retaining soil on slight slopes. Modern garden edging design is a vital element in creating a sophisticated and well-maintained outdoor space. By carefully considering the materials and design, you can enhance the visual appeal of your garden, improve its functionality, and create a seamless transition between different landscape elements. We at Homes Decor Designs hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your next garden project. Thank you for joining us today on Homes Decor Designs. We encourage you to explore these modern garden edging ideas and adapt them to your unique outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips and design inspiration for your home and garden. We love to see your creations, so feel free to share your garden edging projects in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing! Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.